So, what exactly is Bee Swarm Simulator? At its heart, BSS is a world-building game on Roblox, where you become a beekeeper. You start with nothing but a tiny wooden shovel and a single hungry basic bee. The goal is simple. You head out into colorful fields of flowers to collect pollen. Your bees fly right beside you, harvesting extra pollen and helping you fill up your backpack. Once your bag is full, you head back to your hive. This is where the magic happens. Your bees convert all that raw pollen into honey, which is the main currency of the game. You then use that honey to buy more eggs, better tools, and larger backpacks. Before you know it, your one little bee has turned into swarm of 10, 15, or 20, and you're unlocking brand new areas of the map. It's a satisfying loop of growing your hive and exploring a world made of flowers and secrets.
But don't let the cute bees fool you. There's a massive amount of strategy under the surface. As you grow, you'll meet NPCs like Black Bear and Science Bear who will give you quests. Completing this is the only way to get rare items like star jellies and tickets. The real game is about hive composition. You'll start hunting for gifted bees which give your whole hive permanent stat boosts, and mythic bees which have incredible special abilities. Eventually, you'll reach the endgame. This is where you choose a specialized path. You might become a blue hive for massive capacity, a red hive for high attack power, or a white hive for gummy team boost. Between fighting bosses like the coconut crab and crafting legendary gear like the coconut canister, there is always a new goal to reach. BSS is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about the long-term grind to become the ultimate king of the mountain. Are you ready to start your hive?